Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will talk about a very important table that you must have in all your Power BI reports, and that's the date dimension. Inside the date dimension, you will find all possible date values within a specified period of time. But the date dimension is much more than just a list of dates. For every date, we also add useful time-related information, such as the year, month, month name, quarter, week number, day name, etc. So this structure allows Power BI to group, filter, and analyze data correctly over time. My date dimension was created in Power Query Editor. So we'll go over to Transform Data and select dim date and go over to Advanced Editor, and this is the code, this is the M code for my date dimension. So the only parameter for me to modify is the start date. Okay, so right now I've set the start date to 2020, but say for example I want the start date to be 2023. Okay, and the end date is today's date. Okay, so if I just click on done, you see that now I've got the minimum date is, it starts from 2023. So once I create my date dimension, I go back into my report, and the second step that you must do to properly set up your date dimensions is to select your date dimension and go over to table tools. Okay, as soon as you select the table, you will see table tools appear. Okay, and now you select mark as date table. This is very important. So you have to enable this option here and choose your date column. Okay, so my date column is of course called date. Okay, and then you save. So setting this dim date table here as a date table, enabling it as a date table will ensure that your time intelligence functions, when you want to calculate the previous year or the previous month, etc., those calculations, they will work correctly. So this step is very important. Okay, so now when you want to calculate your previous year, you just use calculate, your base measure, and then you just add in your time intelligence functions like the date add. Or if you want to use the same period last year. Okay, so once you set up your date dimension, you are good to go to do any calculations, any time intelligence calculations that you require in your Power BI report. I hope you learned something new in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.